You can go watch it. This is what I do. John Shane.
Really? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's a mess. Is there anything you need me to go your way?
Not really, because we've done it before. We cut the pipe already.
So you want me to stop the machine just in case it started like water out?
Doesn't matter. I'm going right there.
Really, you need to get away.
No, I'm good.
Everything got wet. I figured that running when the water flows out, to take it out and just, because everything is wet, so I gotta wash them.
Yeah. Well, when you run your kitchen sink, the water come here too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it should.
And I think the sink, that sink is always, I put drain over it and it still seems to.
Yeah. Well, it's from the laundry tub.
Oh. So you only have for this, right?
And with the kitchen sink, if you're putting any grease down, same thing, right? Okay. What's that?
He'll stay upstairs in the park when he
Uh-huh.
come down here.
Yeah.
But then he's getting a shower.
Oh.
So but don't like to bathe, so
Yeah.
he stands at the top of the stairs and he barks at me, but he never comes down the stairs. Him and the white dog we had never came down the stairs because they know down here means bath time. Or so they think every time they come down here they're gonna bath.
Do they have any trouble getting down the stairs?
No, they come fine, but it's, they
just
don't come because they think we're gonna bathe them.
Yeah. Dogs aren't stupid.
The brown one didn't mind. The brown one used to be down here. He was everybody's dog.
Yeah.
I can't keep that one.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But that shouldn't be. Now today we got a rag.
Oh my God, where's...
So there it
Probably
is.
fall off the side.
Okay, but beware, there's a hole here, right?
Here.
This drain doesn't have a T in it, so anything can fall through here.
Right through there, yeah. You probably use it by stuff or something.
Yeah, if you're at the dollar store or something, just buy a strainer, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Well, you know, you can take your time. I gotta make a living. I'm just kidding with you.
You do, though. But if you solve all the problems, then I'm not gonna be calling for you.
Yeah, there it is.
So I gotta call for you.
I'll never complain, I'll tell you that much. But to solve the problems, that would be a strainer. Each tub is supposed to have a T in it, but somewhere along the line, it got lost or broken.
Okay.
So, but other than that, it's running good now.